Before the video starts, if you do not know what Bonzi Buddy is, then you should find out what it is or this video will not make much sense. Thank you and enjoy the video.
You're getting to be a big boy.
I'm just a kid who's 4. Each day I get grounded. Some more I like misbehaving. I'm Caillou. So many things to destroy. Each day is something new. I chuck huge cheeses. I'll share them with you. I'm Caillou. My world is ending with mommy and daddy. I'm getting it big time. I'm Caillou. 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 I'm Caillou. That's me.
Kalo, get out of that seat. Your elderly father wants to sit down.
No, Boris. No one likes you. Kalo is way better than you.
Why do you have to be so mean to me? I just wanted to sit down.
Boris, how dare you? Kalo was just innocently sitting there and you come along and ask him to move. That is equivalent to becoming an all-powerful purple monkey that takes over Go City. Now it is time for your punishment spankings.
No, 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 please, anything but that.
Now you'll be a good boy, right?
No, I don't want to be a good boy.
Don't think of yourself.
Fine, Doris. Just leave so I can make a plan on how to get revenge on you that will end in me getting grounded. I've got it. I will go on the computer to find ideas. Let's see what I can find. Okay, let's get an idea. Oh, what is Bonzi Buddy?
Well, hello there. I don't believe we've been properly introduced. I'm Bonzi. What is your name?
Ah, this is so exciting.
Nice to meet you, Boris. Since this is the first time we have met, I'd like to tell you a little about myself. I'm your friend and Bonzi Buddy. I have the ability to learn from you. The more we browse, search, and travel the internet together, the smarter I'll become. Not that I'm already smart.
OMG, this is great. This purple monkey will help me find a way to ground Doris and Kalo.
Boris, don't you remember I'm Bonzi?
Oh yeah, Bonzi. Sorry about that.
It seems like your problem is that you are weak. You need a new form. You need a new form so you can introduce Go City to the virus of Bonzi Buddy.
Oh no, what is happening?
Boris, are you ready to take over Go City and ground Doris and Caillou?
Yes, that sounds very fun.
Okay, let's do this, Boris.
OMG, OMG, OMG. Yes, Bonzi, thank you so much. I will first ground Kalo and Doris.
Dad, what happened to you? You're ugly.
Hey, don't disrespect the power of Bonzi Boris. Because of this, you are grounded. And for you, Doris, you are grounded for giving me spankings.
Boris, you are so stupid. Do you think just because you became a giant purple monkey you are able to ground us?
How dare you backtalk me? I will now destroy Go City.
Mom, do you think Dad is really going to destroy the city?
I don't know. Kalo, he did look pretty strong. Maybe we should check the news.
Destroyed yet. There is still hope. More noise 9. We need your help. My dad and Bonzi buddy have combined and they are destroying the city.
I don't care if the world is about to explode. Don't bother me while I'm listening to my music.
But
Don't give me your butts.
I guess this is the end. Wait, what is that?
Gum. Bonzi Boris. How dare you destroy my house while I was listening to music? That's it, you are grounded for 9,385,927 billion forevers. Go to your room now.